Sa darating na July 28, araw ng Lunes, muling haharap sa Kongreso si Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. para sa kanyang ika-4 na State of the Nation Address. Kamustahin natin ang paghahanda ngayon ng Kamara. Makakausap natin via Zoom ang spokesperson ng House of Representatives na si Attorney Princess Abante. Magandang gabi po, Attorney Abante.
Magandang gabi po, Ms. Ann, at magandang gabi sa lahat na nanonood ngayong gabi.
Attorney, just a few more days before the SONA of our President, kamusta na po ang preparasyon ng lower house para sa SONA ng Pangulo?
Yes, we're about a week away from the SONA and handa naman na po ang House of Representatives para tanggapin lahat ng bisita na darating sa July 28, specifically ang ating Presidente Bongbong Marcos, to give his address to the whole country. Tuloy-tuloy ang paghahanda ng House. As far as I know, tapos na ang mga coordination meetings for the preparation for security, media coverage. I understand the program has already been finalized and all invitations have been sent out. Unfortunately, I do not have the data or the numbers of how many invitations were sent out and how many have already confirmed. We know that last year was one of the highest attended SONA that we had in recent history, and we are looking forward na mas marami pa rin at marami pa rin ang makikinig ngayong sa ating SONA this year para sa report ng ating presidente at ang mga giging plano sa mga susunod na mga buwan.
Attorney, totoo ba na magkakaroon ng 5-day lockdown sa House of Representatives na magsisimula sa July 23? If this is true, para saan po ito?
Ito yung mga final preparations for the SONA, yung mga final cleanups, yung physical aspect, and also yung pag-prepare ng security. Of course, we know na napakaraming mga VIPs at mga high officials natin na darating. We want to make sure everybody will be secure as they come and attend.
Attorney, you're talking about security measures that are being done, no, in preparation of the SONA. Tama ho ba na nasa 27,000 daw po yung mga security and response personnel na ipapakalat sa buong batasang pambansa sa SONA? Hindi ho ba ito overkill?
I do not have the actual numbers, but I understand there would be a significant number, not just inside the Batasan complex, but all over, no? Alam naman natin na kasama sa SONA ay yung mga magiging maaring kilos protesta para masiguro na magiging safe din sila sa kanilang mga gagawing mga kilos protesta at magiging safe din po lahat ng mga mag-a-attend at yung mga dadaan. It's still a full day of activities for the country. So,
Yes.
tong actual figures I do not have, unfortunately, at the moment.
Attorney, in earlier interviews, you've stressed the importance of clarity, transparency, and combating fake news and misinformation. Meron ba tayong mga specific tools or safeguarding measures na isasagawa para maiwasan ang misinformation around the President's SONA?
Well, we had our coordination meeting with all of the media, accredited media, para mag-cover. And it is very important that the public would hear it firsthand. Mahirap naman kung ang pagkukuhanan ng mga balita tungkol sa SONA ay galing sa mga fake news at AI-generated content. Nandiyan dyan po ang ating mga media friends, kayo po sa Billionaire and other media companies that will be there to cover, to monitor, and also do your own coverage for the day.
Thank you so much for your time. Maraming salamat, House of Representatives spokesperson, Attorney Princess Abante.
Thank you.